Thank you. Oh no! No, 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 no! Oh, thank God.
We assure you that
Like
they are
him?
wholly untrustworthy.
Yeah, that's one of them. And that also. Why did you have those? You could just remove them. Guys, let's play Vent Repair. And I want to be in the same room as him. So grab and release. Vent Repair Mangle. Push the button. Make repairs. And how do we know if we can see Mangle? Okay, maybe we can. We have a vent behind us, above us.
Welcome to Vent Repair.
Yeah.
Fazbear Entertainment prides itself on having the most comfortable facilities. Each facility is set to a perfect 72 degrees all the time.
Yeah.
The 4 active indicator lights mean we have a well-functioning ventilation
Okay.
system. Your headlamp
So
should
that
protect you from any
how?
critters who may have stumbled into the ducts. As a certified vent technician,
I'm
you should
pressing
need
every
no
button.
instruction. However, in case of an emergency, it is important to remember that
Yeah.
as the vent technician, you should never, under any circumstances, attempt to...
No, 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 no. Oh! Oh, she has 2 ways now? I don't want 2 ways that she can go. Okay, she isn't there. How do I get that? Okay, what do I do here? Let's check super fast. Okay, go. Oh. Red, yellow, green. Blue? No. Red, yellow, green, blue. Red, yellow, green, blue. Oh my God. Upstairs?
A perfect 72 degrees. Good job.
Oh.
See you next time.
Oh. I actually is terrifying. If I'm close my eyes. Oh, what's this? Butter? I don't know. Oh. Who's Enerd? Who's Enerd? Yeah, we know that. Oh my God. Guys, my heart. What the poop?
Welcome to Circus Baby's Entertainment and Rental.
Circus
It has been
Baby?
0 days since last incident. Emergency ventilation
Wait, today?
repairs may be necessary to reach the boiler room on
Oh my
Sundays
God, the
and Tuesdays.
roof.
We apologize for the claustrophobic accommodations of the secondary service elevator.
No!
The comfort of the main elevator is well above your pay grade. Now, let's get to work.
I hate you. You're making me in here. Oh, it's locked upstairs. Oh, thank God. That was terrifying.
Motion trigger. Breaker room.
Where? Wait. This. Wait. This.
Well done.
What's now? Okay, that's closing. Let's check upstairs. Oh, there's where. Okay.
Well done.
I don't. Who was that? Who was that? Okay. Oh my god. This. Stop it. No, 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 no. Oh! Ah! Go! Where is he? Where is he? He's upstairs. Is it ever fail? Oh, he's over there. Ah! So the first one, that, close. Oh, why is Enerd the hardest one? And it can't just be this easy. I know that. So they cut off somewhere, sometimes.
Well done.
Imagine if I just failed and it would just be no. I would never play this game again. Nobody. How many likes those things you give me? Wait. Enerd, please. Okay, first one. Second one. Okay, so it's the
Well done.
hurry. Thank you. Oh no! No, 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 no! Oh, thank God. Oh my God. Oh, I would hate it. Again? You need to be joking with me.
Motion trigger. Secondary service elevator ventilation shaft.
Okay, so each one open the others. Okay, that one leads there. Then take this. And it leads over here. Okay, I don't like this. Oh, everything I get it right. Every time I get it right, he appears. And this needs to be over there. Okay, then take this one, put it over there. Take this, put it there. Take that, put it there.
Well done.
First try, first try. Okay, check around, check upstairs, check. Enerd, stop, I want to leave. What's this?
Motion trigger. Boiler room.
Boiler room. Okay, only one. So what do we do? Okay. Oh, 1, 2.
Well done.
Okay. That wasn't so hard. Oh, the other one is going to be harder, isn't it? Oh, this one, okay. It tricked me. One, turn around. Then, what does this do? Oh. Connect that. I don't know why. But just connect it to something. And 2 needs to be connected up there. And... oh my god, he's getting closer. Oh my god, close, close, close! Why is everything so dark? I can't even see. Why is my flash... what did that do? Oh my god, what's happening? Why do I hear screams?
Perfect 72 degrees.
Oh my god. Close that! Oh my god, we won! Okay, close my eyes, I don't want to get jump scared, my heart is... okay, die. We have done this more than enough, so let's see how close Glitch Trap is.
The
Oh, isn't
Fazbear
that
virtual
cool?
experience is a robust
I don't remember.
title, but it almost never made it to market. The first
Oh,
development team had
eyes
a
was
lot
never
of
yet
problems,
purple.
made some sloppy mistakes, and was eventually pulled from the project. For that reason, we recommend that you avoid any comments, notes, or warnings that may have been left behind by previous development teams. We assure you that
Like
they are
him?
wholly untrustworthy.
Yeah, that's one of them. And that also. Why did you have those? You could just remove them. And I don't remember him being there. Anyways. Mm-hmm.